Sonja and Tynan's wedding today marks the next chapter in their lives. The formal union of best friends becoming husband and wife.
Of someone like you.
Sonja, beyond any fate or luck that may have played its part in the story of us, love has been the factor that has conquered above all. When I found myself in the deepest waters, in my darkest hours, your love has been my beacon and guide. In times of joy, your love has elevated those moments into pure happiness and elation. As we have ebbed and flowed, pushed and pulled, love is what has given us balance. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me, and as your friend, partner, and husband, I'll do all that I can to be the same for you.
Highs and lows, you were with me when it hurt the most. Felt the sunlight in your heart of gold, and it's all I've ever wanted.
I remember the first night we met. I remember our first date. I remember my friend Beck telling me, "You two will get married one day." I promise to remember every moment spent together for as long as I live. You are the most giving, beautiful, selfless person I know, and I thank God every day that you have given all of your love without any hesitation. I thought today would be the best day of my life, but the thought of spending the rest of my life with you makes me believe the best is yet to come.
Perfection. I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you.
You are the love of my life, my best friend and soulmate. We will continue our journey, now as husband and wife, side by side for life.
Tynan, you may now kiss your beautiful bride.
Because I shed some tears today, it was, Dad, do not cry, because if you cry, I'll cry too. I tried my best, and I apologize to those people that I made you cry, because I was approached by 20 people. You made me cry, you made me cry. So sorry, but it was a big emotion, and I'm so happy for Tainan and Sonja.
Here it comes, everything has changed. Yeah, we're not the same. Oh, it's a perfect moment in time, and I'm holding on for the ride. I've waited all of my life. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so. It's a perfect moment in time. I've waited all of my life. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so alive. It's a perfect moment in time. It's a perfect moment in time. I've waited all of my life. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so alive.
I've always been immensely proud of you, Ty. His big thing is that he's got wonderful values. I know that he loves you, son.
Today is about love and happiness, and I couldn't think of two people more deserving. Please, everyone, raise your glass and toast to Sonja and Ty.